classic vehicle lovers and emergency apparatus enthusiasts, get ready for something extraordinary. Today I present to you the Mack B6 Firetruck, a powerful firefighting machine from the golden age, meticulously recreated in 3D with a level of detail that honors its heroic legacy. This isn't just another 3D model. With 388,114 carefully crafted polygons, we've captured every essential element that made these trucks true lifesavers. From hose connections on the front left side, sides, and rear, to the fire extinguishers, ladders, and iconic fire nozzle. Let's not forget that copper bell on the front bumper or the red emergency lights on the roof. Features that scream historical authenticity. What makes this model special is its perfect balance between historical accuracy and digital functionality. In Blender, you'll find every component organized for your convenience. Wheels and rims separated for easy animation. The steering wheel perfectly rigged as a child of an empty steering wheel for realistic movement. And each mesh separated by materials for hassle-free texturing. The PBR materials like diamond plate metal, tires, plastics, seat leather, and dashboard gauges, though not weathered, offer a pristine finish that allows artists to decide the desired level of wear. It's like having a fire truck fresh from the factory in 1958, ready for customization. This Mack B6 Firetruck is available right now for those who want to incorporate it into their projects. Whether for simulators, cinematic renders, or as a digital collectible, purchase links are in the description. But this is more than just a transaction. We want to build a community passionate about preserving these mechanical marvels. What other historic emergency vehicles would you like to see recreated with this level of detail? A 1970s fire truck? Or maybe a vintage ambulance? Your ideas could be our next creation. If this type of project resonates with you, don't forget to like the video and leave your comments. Every interaction helps us continue rescuing these historical treasures and sharing them with the world. Now tell us, how do you imagine using this Mack B6 Firetruck in your creations? Will it be the star of a short film about heroes of yesteryear? Or perhaps the centerpiece of your next simulator mod? Because in the end, these vehicles aren't just metal and rubber. They're symbols of bravery that deserve to be remembered. And with this 3D model, that memory stays alive, ready to inspire new generations.